Bidirectional associativity. So when we create a solid model, it does not restrict our output in our other types of things. So for example, when I come down here to do a rendering or an animation or a simulation or even generate a CNC toolpathing, when I make a change to say a diameter in the solid model, my rendering will automatically update. My animation will automatically update. My 2D drawings will automatically update. I could also update my 2D drawings to change the diameter there, and it'll automatically update my solid model. It goes both ways. So I don't have to go back and edit every single thing. I make a change either in the solid model or in the other end product, such as our 2D drawings or in a rendering or animation, and it'll automatically update. So bidirectional means that there's a link, and any modification made in any of the workspaces will automatically reflect the other workspaces.